So the first thing I got was this. I'll show you what's inside. Quite a lot of sweets. Just like lots and lots of sweets. So like I took way too long. So there's no Vaseline in this anymore. No clue where it went. But everything in this bag was all of this, like all of that. This was a flash warning. So flash warning real quick. I don't know if yep, flash warning out my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna stop yapping. Yeah, all of that, and I'm gonna show you what this does. Why am I going so quick? I've got a couple. Oh my god. So the slime, 1 minute. Starting with, ow, ew, ew. Starting with this. What is this? It's not slime. It's like all clumpy and stuff. Ew. So yeah, can't really class that slime. Okay, I also got this. This. Like, you would expect this to be like a really cute slime. Nope. It literally, it does this. It tears easily. I don't know if I said easily, but it tears easily. Now for this, I'm gonna do this now. That was such bad angling, but I was holding that with my teeth, okay? Well, that landed in the sink. Nah, stop recording. Okay, I'm gonna do this real quick. So what I got out of this bag, oh my god. What I got out of this bag is it's a little turtle. That is actually quite cute. No, focus. Focus on this. That is actually so cute. Oh yeah, and I also got a cake. I got Haribo's in this, and where the heck did I put that cake? Aha, and cake. Yeah, bye.